Hello everyone, welcome back to College Duniya's exam YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to download the CUET PG Admit Card 2026. We will also cover important dates, exam day instructions, required documents and what to do if you face any issues. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let us see what is the CUET PG Admit Card. The CUET PG Admit Card is your official hall ticket issued by the NTA for the exam. This is a mandatory document that allows you entry into exam centers across 42 central universities nationwide. It contains important detail like your exam date, time slot, venue address and verified candidate information. Without the admit card, you will not be allowed to take the exam. Here are some important dates for CUET PG 2026. The online registration for CUET PG is over. It started from 14 December 2025 to 14th January 2026. The city intimation slip has also released on 26 February 2026. The admit card is expected in the first week of March, approximately 3 to 4 days before the exam begins. The CUET PG exam will be conducted on the multiple dates starting from 6th to 13th March and then from 16th to 19th March and on March 24, 25 and 27, 2026. The examination will be held in 44 shifts and each shift will be 90 minutes long. Make sure you note these dates carefully. To download your admit card, first visit the official CUET PG website. This is the only authorized portal for downloading the admit card. Avoid using fake or third-party websites. On the home page, look for the Download Admit Card link under the e-services section. A quick tip: bookmark this website during the registration so you can easily access it later. Next, log in into your account. You have two login options. Option 1, enter your application number and password, complete the CAPTCHA and click on the sign in. Option 2, if you forgot your password, use your application number and date of birth to log in. After entering the correct details, click sign in to access your admit card dashboard. Once logged in successfully, your admit card will appear on the screen. First, carefully verify all the details including your name, photograph, exam date, exam center and subject codes. If everything is correct, click the download button and save the PDF file. Make sure you print at least 2 or 3 clear copies on A4 size paper for safety and backup purposes. Now let's see the details mentioned on the admit card. Your personal information, that is your full name, photograph, roll number and application number. The exam schedule, which includes the exact date, shift timing and reporting timing. The venue details are your complete exam center address along with the center code. The important instructions, that are guidelines for the exam day and a list of prohibited items. Always double check these details carefully. Now let's see the exam day instructions and what you must carry. On the exam day, you must carry a printed copy of CUET PG admit card. Only hard copy is accepted. The digital copies will not be allowed. A valid photo ID such as Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, driving license or PAN card. A passport size photograph matching the one you uploaded in your application form. Also, follow any health and safety guidelines issued by NTA if applicable. Make sure you do not carry any prohibited items to the exam center. Here are some final tips and what to do if you face issues. Download your admit card as soon as it is released to avoid any last-minute technical glitches or heavy website traffic. If you notice any discrepancy in your details or face login issues, immediately contact the NTA help desk through official helpline numbers or email support. Also, keep your admit card safe until the entire admission process is complete, as it is may be required during the counseling or document verification process. Now let's see the exam day instructions and what you must carry. On the exam day, you must carry a printed copy of CUET PG admit card. Only hard copy is accepted. The digital copies will not be allowed. A valid photo ID such as Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, driving license or PAN card. A passport size photograph matching the one you uploaded in your application form. Also, follow any health and safety guidelines issued by NTA if applicable. Make sure you do not carry any prohibited items to the exam center.